Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super delicious, flavoursome, flaky bread that can be made on the stove top in a frying pan. And the recipe is super easy. If you'd like to see how I make it, then keep on watching. To be very honest with you guys, you do not need a stand mixer for this, but I'm combining my flour, salt, and you know that you have to combine the salt within the flour, give it a little bit of a swirl just so that it's distributed evenly, and then I add in my yeast. My water is added in gradually just to make sure I don't use too much. I covered and rested for about 10 minutes, nothing too long. After the 10 minutes was up, I removed it from the bowl, kneaded with a little extra flour, and then I separated it into 4 parts. But depending on the size that you want the bread, will depend on how many parts you can do. So this recipe basically just consists of rolling the dough as thin as you can get it, adding in some butter or ghee or clarified butter in between each layers, and consistently folding over, dusting over some flour, and repeating the process. So here I basically roll it out again for the final time. Add in some ghee or butter, whatever fat you're using, and then dust over some flour, and then I tuck in the edges to help me make a smooth ball shape. With these 4 smooth balls, and you can cover and rest for another 10 minutes. You roll them out individually, and then to a hot pan you can add them in, and I like to just grease them on each side, and I toss every like 30 seconds. This helps to keep the bread like pliable. You'll just see me continuously flipping over until it's done. Say each one takes me between like 3 to 5 minutes, doesn't take very long at all actually. And then just do that until you've finished your dough, and this is what it looks like. Super buttery, flaky, and absolutely delicious. If you're stuck for making bread, this is an easy alternative as it can be done in the pan and doesn't take much time at all. It's probably one of my favourite breads to do in general, like of all time. So if you get any time to try it, I think you should. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you've got any suggestions, be sure to leave them down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!